welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a, I guess you could say, review, but in a way, a review after 2 years. So I am partnering up with a brand called Luisa. I'm pretty sure if you see my other videos, you've seen a couple of pieces that I've mentioned and worn. So Luisa is a jewelry company that's based out of New York, and they are a long-lasting, tarnish-resistant jewelry company, and I've fallen in love with their pieces over the past 2 years. So I would consider myself a big jewelry girly. I'm not too picky on what I pick or what I want to wear, but it either has to be gold plated. It needs to be skin sensitive because I have very sensitive skin, and it cannot tarnish because I am really bad at changing my jewelry. So I tend to keep them on when I shower, when I go to bed. Like, I just will not take it off. So I'm gonna jump right into it and talk about the company. So what's really cool is the jewelry is 100% strength and humidity tested, which I've never heard from any company, so that's pretty cool. And a lot of other pieces are actually really affordable, which is really shocking. I think they range, start at 39 to maybe max 100. They do have diamond jewelry, so obviously a little more expensive on that side, but if you just want something like dainty or just something to give you a little splash, this is definitely the company that you want to go to. I believe they ship free and have free returns as well, so that's pretty cool. I recently found out that they have a warranty, which I didn't know about, but I'm pretty good at keeping my jewelry intact. So they have a 2-year warranty, and if anything happens to your skin, like if you get an allergic reaction or if one of the jewelry pieces break, they're really good at replacing it and making sure the customer is super happy. Also, the brand I would consider is very planet friendly. They come in these little reusable bags, and they have like a magnetic clasp, and it's so easy to just pop in your luggage if you're traveling, or even like on the go on your purse, and it's like super cute. So I'm going to talk about a couple of my favorite pieces. I'm actually wearing probably the ones that I love the most. So I don't know if you can see, but one of my favorite pieces are like these crystal earrings, and it actually comes in a 3-piece set. So the reason why I got it was because I have 3 ear piercings, and I was like, oh, how cute would that be if I like piled them up and wore them together. So right now I'm wearing them separately because I have other earrings I want to wear and pair with it, and I feel like they pair so well together. Because you could see it definitely like leaves a little, I have a crystal trio. Another piece I love is this necklace. If you could tell, it's opal or kind of like a pearl feel, but it's super cute. During the day, it ends up riding up my neck a little bit, so it becomes a choker, which is even cuter. So this is definitely like a little timepiece. It's not too flashy, and it like goes well with everything that I wear. And one other piece would be this bracelet. Like, look how cute and dainty this is. Like, and my wrist is a super small. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Like, I can wrap my like whole finger around it. But I've always had problems with bracelets over time, just because like nothing can fit my wrist or it comes off. But this one is adjustable and like super easy. I had struggles putting it on, but I eventually got it on, and it doesn't make my skin irritated at all. All the jewelry that I wear, like I mentioned, I wear to bed, I wear in the shower. Nothing tarnishes, which is amazing. And I never get like any like infections with my ear. I can only wear sensitive or actual like gold earrings, but these are actually doing very well. As I mentioned, I've been wearing Ana Luisa for about 2 years now, and I think the longest piece that I've ever worn are probably their earrings or necklaces. So like I said, I don't ever switch them out, which is kind of lazy, but at the same time it still makes me look very presentable. It goes with any outfit. I don't have any discomfort with them. As for care instructions, I haven't really had the chance to clean them. If anything, I use like an ear cleaner, so far so good. I didn't have any, since I wear them in the shower, I don't have to clean them as much. If it does get a little dull, then I tend to use like a jewelry cleaner, just drop it in there and it comes out super shiny. And these bags are definitely, they keep them like sealed tight. So a lot of jewelry oxidizes if you keep them out or if you don't store them properly, but when I keep them in these bags and I just open them up, it's always looking so like fresh. So I'm very impressed. I actually got 2 new items, so I can't wait to show it with you guys. So excited always to get jewelry. This first piece is a necklace. This is called the Loree Necklace, and oh my gosh, like I am in love. Like look at these like crystals, and it goes like so well with what I wear and so beautiful. It just makes a statement for sure. And then the other piece I got were these cute pearl earrings. I love like little things like this. After coming from Korea, this is definitely a very big trend right now with pearls, and it just like you can wear them on a casual basis or even a wedding and you will look on point. But that is pretty much my honest review of Ana Luisa. They have so many pieces online. If you don't like the ones that I wear, they have bolder statements, they have like daintier ones. But if you are interested, I do have a discount code and I do have a link below. You can definitely check them out, and promise you won't regret this. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.